I'm working on some scroggin here. I've got some pepitas and sunflower seeds, and I'm just cooking them quickly with some soy. The soy adds that little bit of saltiness, which is really nice to when you're hiking and you get really sweaty and so on. It's a good replenish of that. So I always have that in my trail mix or scroggin. This is the rest of my scroggin. So I've got some lolly type things in there. These are wasabi peas. I find that, like, again, the saltiness, the spiciness of those is delicious. Some M&Ms. So if you're going somewhere really hot, they'll just melt. But I'm in Tassie, so it should be right. Yeah, and then just a range of different nuts that I do like. So don't put anything in your scroggin that you don't like. Just if you find a recipe, if you don't like it, don't have it. I've got some banana, dried banana in there. And, yeah, some pecans, some hazelnuts, some cashews. I think that's about it. And there's a few little sultanas in there too. Yeah, so once this cooks up, it kind of puffs. I'll cool it down and add it to the scroggin, to the trail mix. And yeah, that amount there, that's 2 days worth. So if you can see, quantity wise, it's probably about 4 handfuls. I think about 4 handfuls would be 2 days scroggin for me. I keep that in my pocket, so it's easy to access, and yeah, delicious, rejuvenating, refreshing. Take care.